Okay, we're going to put together this little circuit. This is like the very first circuit in the basic electronics post on my blog. We have 9-volt battery, we have an LED, and we have a 330 ohm resistor. We also have a breadboard. I don't talk about this on the blog, but these are like something you definitely want to get. They're pretty cheap on eBay. They make it super easy to throw together a circuit and play around. Basically anything you plug in to one of these holes, each hole is spring loaded, has a contact, and all 5 of these connectors are hooked together. So if you want to hook things together, you can just plug them into these holes and then plug another thing into these holes, and those 2 things are now connected together. So it makes it super easy. Now, one thing is that this LED is only can be hooked up one way. Typically the short lead is negative. You can also tell if you have a LED that the wires have been clipped on. If you look inside, you see that on this side there's a bigger piece of metal on that side. That is also the negative side. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up like this. I have the negative side on the left, and we're going to hook this resistor in line into the positive side, and then to here, and then we're going to hook the positive side of the battery to this, and then the negative side to the negative side of the LED, and there we go. That is super bright. You do need the resistor in there. The resistor on the site, we've calculated the value of this resistor to provide 20 milliamps of power to the LED. Just as a test earlier, I actually tried hooking the circuit up without the resistor. The LED came on and lasted about 1/10 of a second before it burned out. So don't do that. Don't hook up LEDs without some kind of current limiting. There are some circuits that automatically limit current. You don't need a resistor, but those are not standard or common. So be sure you take this into account when you make the circuit. So that's all for this part.